Join me as I take on the challenge of curing my stubborn cough using only these simple home remedies. Persistent coughs can be a real nuisance, right? They disrupt our daily lives and can often leave us feeling super frustrated. Whether it's due to allergies, an annoying cold, or irritants in the air, understanding what's behind that constant tickle in your throat is the first step to finding relief. This video will dive into some practical solutions to tackle that pesky cough once and for all. Allergies often trigger coughing as our bodies react to pollen, dust, or pet dander. Infections like the common cold or even something more serious can lead to inflammation in the throat, resulting in that irritating cough. Exposure to pollutants or smoke can also wreak havoc, causing our airways to become irritated. Dealing with a persistent cough is annoying. It can affect your sleep, conversations, and even your mood. Finding the right remedy is key to getting back to feeling like yourself again. Let's jump into some fantastic home remedies that can help soothe that cough. First up, honey is nature's sweetest remedy. A spoonful can coat your throat, providing instant relief. It's not just tasty. Studies have shown it can be as effective as cough suppressants. Ginger tea is another winner, as ginger is anti-inflammatory and can help ease your throat irritation. Breathing in steam is a classic method, too, as it moistens dry airways, making breathing easier. Lastly, saltwater gargles can ease throat pain and reduce coughing by flushing out irritants. Each of these remedies is simple, natural, and pretty effective. One particularly effective remedy that many swear by is a combination of honey and ginger tea. Heating some water, adding fresh ginger slices, and a spoonful of honey can create a delicious concoction that works wonders. Sipping on this soothing tea not only helps with your cough but can also warm you up, especially on those chilly days. If you're struggling, definitely give this a try. It's a game changer for many people. To wrap things up, we've covered some awesome home remedies like honey, ginger tea, steam inhalation, and saltwater gargles. Remember that if your cough sticks around for too long, it's important to chat with your healthcare professional. They can help rule out any serious underlying issues. I'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences with cough remedies in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other health-related content for more tips and tricks.